Unlock a new way to snag those PandaBuy hauls by seamlessly paying with your Visa gift card. First things first, make sure your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds for your PandaBuy purchase. You can usually check your balance on the card issuer's website or by calling the number on the back of your card once you've confirmed your balance. Head over to PandaBuy. Log into your account and start adding all your desired items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, navigate to your PandaBuy cart. You'll see a breakdown of your items and the subtotal. Proceed to the checkout process by clicking the designated checkout button, usually located at the bottom of your cart. On the payment page, you'll find various payment options. Look for the option to use a credit or debit card. Click on this option to reveal the fields for entering your card details. Now, carefully enter your Visa gift card number into the card number field. Next, input the expiry date, usually shown as month and year, and your CVV code, which is typically the 3 or 4-digit number on the back of your gift card. If your gift card has a billing address associated with it, you may also be prompted to enter that information. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any processing errors. Once all the card information is correctly entered, review your order summary one last time for accuracy. Finally, click the button to confirm and complete your payment. If the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message from PandaBuy, and your order will be processed. Congratulations! You've just learned how to expand your payment options and shop smarter on PandaBuy with your Visa gift card.